Home gymnastics equipment is in high demand as parents and athletes look for ways to train safely and conveniently. Balance beams are essential for building core strength, coordination, and confidence, whether for beginners or competitive gymnasts. This list 1. Marfula, 6 feet, 8 feet, 9 feet, folding gymnastics beam foam balance floor beam, extra firm. The Marfula folding gymnastics beam offers a great combination of firmness and safety, making it ideal for young gymnasts and beginners. Available in 6, 8, and 9 foot lengths, it is made of high-density foam that provides a stable yet comfortable surface for practicing routines. The beam's non-slip bottom ensures safety on various floor types, while its foldable design allows easy storage and portability. Perfect for home use, this beam helps build balance, flexibility, and confidence.
List 2. Marfula Adjustable Balance Beam 8 feet Gymnastic Beam, adjustable height for kids and teenagers. This adjustable balance beam from Marfula is designed to grow with your gymnast. Measuring 8 feet, it features multiple height settings, allowing beginners to practice close to the ground before advancing to higher levels. The solid construction and suede-like covering replicate the feel of professional beams, while the sturdy base ensures stability during practice. Portable and versatile, it's a top pick for kids and teens progressing in their gymnastics journey.
List number 3. FC FunCare Adjustable Balance Beam for Kids, 8-foot Gymnastics Beam. High and low floor. The FC FunCare Adjustable Balance Beam is perfect for developing gymnasts who need both floor level and elevated practice options. Its adjustable design allows you to switch between low and high settings effortlessly. The beam is constructed from high-quality materials that mimic competition beams, providing a realistic feel for training. The non-slip base adds safety, while its 8-foot length is ideal for home use. A solid choice for young athletes to advance their skills. List number 4. Zealous 8-foot Folding Gymnastics Balance Beam. The Zealous Folding Gymnastics Balance Beam combines convenience and durability for home training. At 8 feet long, it provides ample practice space while maintaining a compact, foldable design for storage. Its high-density foam core and soft, non-slip suede surface make it safe for beginners and intermediate users. The beam is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to transport from room to room. Excellent for gymnasts working on balance, turns, and basic skills. List number 5. FC FunCare 8FT Folding Balance Beam, Gymnastics Floor Beam. This FC FunCare Folding Balance Beam is designed for beginners and intermediate gymnasts who want a safe and comfortable practice beam at home. Measuring 8 feet, it features a high-density foam core and a suede-like top surface that feels soft underfoot, but provides enough firmness for stability. The foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, while its lightweight construction ensures effortless handling. A great option for recreational practice and skill building.